by leaves, forgotten and lost, so nobody sees but you. Of us covered in coals of feathery moss, but you are still in my mind, still in my sound of our steps faded away, but I won't forget the path we once made. 'Cause